Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. Today's video we're going to look at this Ultra Ring Sling with a thimble. Before we get started, make sure you hit that like button. Please subscribe over to the YouTube channel. Check out all of the other content we got. Drop a comment down below and let us know what you think. So let's dive right in. So here we have an Ultra Ring 9 foot by 3/4 inch. It is a number 3 ring sling. So these Ultra Slings have individual little pockets, as I like to call them, so it makes it a little bit easier to slide that thimble right through instead of adjusting a whoopee sling or a loopy or even a dead eye, right? So quick and easy to use. Just to give you an example, here on the ground, low to the ground so you guys can see. Take that, we would throw it up around the tree when we're up in the canopy, right? And like I said, there's many little pockets. This one has 10 individual slots where you can actually just slip through, ready to go. And if you need to get real tight to the tree, look for that pocket that's going to be the tightest and closest. Slip it through, throw it on the bite, and you're ready to go. So like I said, this is a quick little video on that product, the Ultra Ring with the number 3. Check us out at bartlettman.com. Google us at Bartlett Arborist Supply. Thanks.